Today we'll be showing you how to change halogen turn signal bulbs to LED bulbs on a 2006 Honda Accord. The tools you'll need are a 10mm socket, LED bulbs, and LED load resistors. When working with electrical car components, you always want to start by unhooking the positive terminal of the battery, which is indicated by the plus. You're going to want to use your 10mm socket to loosen the bolt on the terminal enough so you can slide it right off. Starting on the passenger side of the car, just reach your hand inside of the hood and counterclockwise turn the bulb until you hear a pop. And then once you hear the pop, you can just pull it right on out. And there's the turn signal bulb. In the 06 Honda Accord, the red wire is the parking light, the black wire is the ground as usual, and the brown wire is the turn signal. Now you're going to connect the quick connector to the turn signal and the ground, so the brown and the black. Now with your load resistors, you should have been given quick connectors. Quick connectors just basically join two separate wires together without having to solder them. You're going to take your load resistor and take the cable shielding on the ends off on both wires, just like this one. Now here you can just slide the quick connectors right on. Just slip them on, just like that. Now you're going to want to attach one end of the resistor to the turn signal and the other end of the load resistor to the ground wire. Now you're going to want to slide one end of the load resistor into the quick connector, just like this, and then clamp down on the metal part. Make sure the wire is nice and tight. Make sure the wire can't come out. And then close the plastic part of the. And then you take the other side, other quick connector, connect it to the negative, the ground, and then insert the load resistor to the other side. Then you want to clamp it down. Clamp it down. That, and then close the plastic part. That's what it should look like. Take the old bulb out and put the new bulb in. And then you want to test to see if the bulb is working properly. And then after you test it, just put it back in the housing. Whoa, that's hot. Be careful not to burn yourself. Once you have it in place, turn it clockwise. In order to access the driver's side bulb, you're gonna need to remove the battery. But first, before you remove the battery, you're gonna have to unhook the negative terminal and unscrew the battery mount. You're just going to repeat the same process for the driver's side. After you finish replacing the bulb on the driver's side, once the battery is back in place, tighten it down using the battery mounts. Now when replacing the battery, you always want to put the ground cable back on first. So attach the ground cable, tighten it